Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to add highlights on Instagram. Welcome to another how to search tutorial video. So if you want to add your story to a highlight on your profile in Instagram, it's actually quite simple. So just follow these simple steps. First of all, of course, let's go ahead and open the Instagram app. And what you'll want to do is go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon on the lower right corner section of the screen. And then from here, as you can see on my profile, I do already have one existing highlight, but if you wish to create a new one, just go ahead and click on new beside the highlights option here. As you can see, it has a plus icon on here as well. Click on that, and then basically it will take you to an archive of all the stories that you've posted for the past few months or even years. And then what you'll want to do is to select the stories that you wish to add on those highlights. So for example, I'll go ahead and select these stories that I have on here before. And all I have to do once I've selected the stories that I've wanted to include in that highlight, I'll just have to click on next on the upper right corner of the screen. And then all I have to do now is to label the highlight. For example, I just want to label this as sites because these are different places that I went to. You can even edit the cover for the highlight. So for example, if I click on that, you can choose whichever photo you wish to add there as a cover photo, and you can even move it around to better fit the position on the cover photo. And once you're done, click on done. And all you have to do once you're done editing all of that and labeling is click on done as well. Once you've done that, you can now basically see the highlight on there. It will give you this pop-up here if you want to turn your highlight into a reel. I'll choose not now. And then as you can see, the site's highlight is already on my Instagram profile. So if I click on that, you will see all the stories that I've added onto that highlight. So that's how easy it is. Go ahead and do it for yourself, and hopefully you enjoy doing or adding highlights to your Instagram profile. That's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Again, this is How to Search, and see you on the next one. Peace.